Mechanical boards have surged in popularity due to their tactile feedback, customizable layouts, and durable build, features that appeal to gamers and typists alike. Similarly, beach cruiser bikes are enjoying growing demand for their comfort, style, and reliability. This guide evaluates the best beach cruiser bikes, considering build quality, gear options, rider comfort, and value, so you can pedal in style whether at the beach, in town, or along scenic trails.
List: Viribus Women's Bike, 7-speed adult beach cruiser with basket and rack. The Viribus Women's 7-speed beach cruiser is a fantastic choice for women who want both style and performance. With 24 and 26-inch options, it caters to different heights, while the 7-speed gear system makes it versatile for flat roads and gentle hills. It includes a charming rattan basket and rear rack, perfect for carrying groceries or beach essentials. The classic frame, swept back handlebars, and cushioned saddle ensure a comfortable ride. Great for commuting or leisurely rides by the ocean. List 2. Viribus Beach Cruiser Bike for Women. 1-speed with basket and rack. For a simple and low-maintenance option, the Viribus 1-speed cruiser shines. Featuring a single-speed drivetrain, it's ideal for flat terrain and casual riding. Its retro-inspired design with a front basket and rear rack combines practicality with timeless charm. The padded seat and wide handlebars enhance comfort, and the sturdy frame feels durable and balanced. This bike is perfect for riders who want an easy, relaxed ride without worrying about shifting gears. Great for the beach or neighborhood. List 3. Marknig Beach Cruiser Bike for Women and Men with Basket. The Marknig Beach Cruiser is designed for both men and women, offering a unisex frame and 2 wheel sizes, 24-inch and 26-inch. This bike combines practicality with comfort, featuring a front basket for your belongings, a comfortable saddle, and wide tires for stability. The single-speed drivetrain is perfect for flat areas and beginners. The classic styling makes it suitable for daily commutes, leisurely rides, and coastal adventures. Affordable and well-built, it's an excellent option for riders on a budget. List number 4. Max 4-Out Beach Cruiser Bike for Adults with Rattan Basket. The Max 4-Out Beach Cruiser is a stylish and comfortable choice that offers thoughtful touches like a rattan basket and an adjustable seat. Available in 24-inch and 26-inch sizes, it accommodates a range of heights. The cushioned saddle and upright riding position reduce strain, while the durable frame ensures long-lasting use. It's lightweight enough for easy maneuverability, but sturdy enough for daily rides. Perfect for cruising along the beach boardwalk or enjoying a casual evening ride around town. List number 5. Waze Beach Cruiser Bike, 7-speed adult bicycle. For those who want more versatility, the Waze 7-speed beach cruiser is a standout. Designed for both men and women, it features a high carbon steel frame and 26-inch wheels for smooth riding. The 7-speed system allows you to tackle mild hills and varied terrain with ease. With its classic look, comfortable saddle, and ergonomic handlebars, it offers both style and functionality. A great option if you're looking for a durable, gear-equipped cruiser that can handle more than just flat roads.